Today we are converting this $1 old house into the 100 million house. Stay with us to watch this restoration.
Have you ever looked at an old, forgotten house and wondered what stories it holds? What if you could bring it back to life? Today, retaking on our most ambitious project yet, transforming this beautiful but crumbling relic into a modern masterpiece. It's a huge challenge, but we believe that beneath the layers of decay, a true gem is waiting to be uncovered. Stick around to see if we can pull it off. Our first walkthrough was sobering. Every corner told a story of neglect. We found deep cracks spidering across the walls, a ceiling stained and sagging from years of water damage, and floors that groaned with every step. The sheer scale of the decay was overwhelming. But where some see ruin, we see opportunity. We immediately called in our team of architects and designers. The creative energy was amazing as we sketched out new layouts, pieced together mood boards filled with textures and colors, and handpicked every single material. Our vision was clear: to honor the home's history while infusing it with contemporary style and comfort. This wasn't just about fixing what was broken, it was about reimagining what this house could be. With the vision set, it was time for the heavy lifting. This is what we call rebuilding the bones, and it's the most critical phase of any restoration. You can't have a beautiful house on a weak foundation. Our crew got to work, starting from the ground up. We had to dig in and repair the crumbling foundation, ensuring the entire structure was stable for generations to come. Next, we reinforced the main support beams, strengthening the home skeleton. And finally, the old leaky roof was completely stripped away. Watching the new framework go up, followed by layers of modern waterproofing and beautiful new tiles, was a major milestone. The house finally had a solid, protective shell, ready for the next stage of its transformation. Now that the house was structurally sound, it was time to breathe new life into its core systems. An old house might have charm, but old wiring and plumbing are just headaches waiting to happen. Our expert electricians and plumbers moved in, and it was fascinating to watch them work. Carefully threaded brand new, up-to-code wiring through the walls, installing outlets, light fixtures, and a modern electrical panel. Simultaneously, the plumbing team replaced all the ancient corroded pipes with a state-of-the-art system. This meant new water lines for reliable pressure and a completely new drainage system. It's the kind of work you don't see in the finished product, but it's what makes a home truly livable and safe. The house was finally getting a modern circulatory system. With the hidden systems in place, we could finally focus on restoring the soul of the house, the beautiful details that give it character. This is where the artistry truly shines. Our skilled plasterers meticulously smoothed over the newly reinforced walls, creating a flawless canvas. Then came the painters, bringing our color palette to life, room by room. Choosing the flooring was a huge decision, and laying down the rich, warm hardwood transformed the feel of every space. Outside, we carefully restored the original facade, preserving its historic charm while giving it a fresh, clean look. Every tile, every fixture, every brushstroke was a step towards bringing our vision into reality. The house was no longer just a structure, it was starting to feel like a home again. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. After months of demolition, design, and dedication, this forgotten house has been reborn. Let's take a look back at where we started. The cracked walls, the leaking roof, the dark and dreary spaces. Now, look at it. A home filled with light, warmth, and modern elegance, while still honoring its historic roots. This journey was about more than just construction. It was about seeing the potential for beauty where others saw decay. It was about breathing new life into old bones and creating a place where new memories can be made for years to come. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible transformation. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more restoration projects. We'll see you on the next one.